hate my mother at birth, but in moments of great success, I regret it.
That's a thing for your species?
No, just a me thing. Everyone was shocked.
I must admit, that joke was kind of funny. But that's all I enjoyed in the Elio trailer, the latest from Pixar. And why I'm saying this, guys? Because once again, nothing really wowed me. Nothing really stood out. Nothing felt like the usual Pixar magic. I'm not sure what's going on over Disney and Pixar. The last couple trailers for the new projects have not really wowed me. I'm not to say I'm a bit disappointed. So let's dig into the trailer a bit more. Again, the plot, the story is the usual fish out of water trope. There's a sci-fi surrounding it a bit this time, or where you have this young boy find himself in front of an alien council to answer the crimes of Earth, it seems. And yeah, they mess around a bit with it in the trailer, but again, it's nothing new, it's nothing we've not seen before. And while there's nothing necessarily wrong with that, and you're not always asked to reinvent the wheel, from the trailer at least, it didn't seem anything that stood out on this rerun of this idea. There was not much great humor in it, at least for, I guess, adults so far, apart from that last part we showed you. Again, nothing in that really felt special in terms of the voice casting, as well as nothing else seemed particularly motivating or special. That bit of Disney Pixar magic you expect. Again, never judge a book by its cover, and it's only the first trailer. But it seems lately that the Pixar and Disney films is missing a bit lately. So I'm missing a bit of creativity or magic lately. But nonetheless, there is one good quality I found in the trailer, and it's the usual thing that we can always expect from Pixar, is that it looks beautiful. The animations and the art style looks great. It's a very pretty looking film so far. It does remind you of a strange world in that sense that it gives a sense of wow and wonder in terms of the world that is trying to display to you. But yeah, guys, that's all I got. I didn't really felt like excited to go watch this film. Nothing that said to me you must go and buy your tickets as soon as they come available right now. But that's getting just the first trailer. Here's hoping the next two really flesh out more of the story, and hopefully it takes a bit more turns and twists on its way. Alright guys, that's it here from at Blue Crescent Studio. For more on animation, animated film and cartoons, you're already at the right place.